Alberta Health Services has done an about-face, halting its plans to cut off food or drinks to patients in emergency rooms or ongoing outpatient treatments. That plan was supposed to come into effect today. Instead, it came under fire from parents of patients receiving cancer treatments who were told their children wouldn't get things like a popsicle or a glass of ginger ale while undergoing chemotherapy. But as Kevin Green reports, the plans may not actually be cancelled after the Premier said today the implementation was simply on hold.
Kids undergoing therapy at the Alberta Children's Hospital often get treats like pop or popsicles to help them through their often hours-long procedures. But after this March 17th email saying a reduced list of essential nourishment items will be provided and patient food services will no longer supply food to non-inpatient areas, adding clinics are encouraged to remind patients to bring snacks, meals, or money for food, staff at the Children's Hospital began advising parents treats during treatment were a thing of the past.
The nurses were just quite in shock. So they were just informing us that we would then have to just be prepared to bring our own snacks and drinks.
When CTV questioned the health minister Monday, Adriana LaGrange didn't explain the new AHS food policy. She just said that wasn't the way it was supposed to play out.
So my understanding was that that was not supposed to happen. And if that is happening, I will certainly look into it.
Tuesday morning, the policy was gone after a release in which AHS interim CEO Andre Tremblay said, after media reports surfaced, I have reviewed this policy and have decided that AHS will not move forward with these changes.
And now, if this has officially been retracted and cancelled, for all these families like ours who unfortunately spend a lot of time at the hospital, it's just like a wave of relief, just knowing it's not one more thing to add to the weight on our shoulders.
That relief could be short-lived, though. At a press conference in Brooks Tuesday, Premier Danielle Smith didn't say the policy was cancelled. Rather, it's on hold.
It was a misapplication and a misinterpretation of a policy direction that's since been paused.
Smith said the intent of the policy is to eliminate spoilage and waste and improve efficiency. She did not say when the policy might be revived. Kevin Green, CTV News, Calgary.
CTV requested a complete copy of the now on hold AHS food policy, but did not receive a response by airtime.